Hello, my name is Ana Martinez. Okay, in this moment I want to talk about Barranquilla. However, I want to clarify that I am living here, but just 3 months ago, so I don't know so many places here in this city. Okay, Barranquilla is an important city here in Colombia. It's an important industrial and commercial place or city for this country. So many people, commercial stuff you can find here. I wanna talk about a malecon of the river Magdalena, the Magdalena River. It is an important place because here you can see this huge river for Colombian country. It is the most important river in Colombia. It is a huge and really important for the country, for people. In this place you can eat typical food. You can walk with your family, with your friends. You can meet new people there, and you can enjoy an beautiful afternoon. In this place, some different activities are there, like the last half marathon version Barranquilla. The central picture you can see some people that participate there. One of them, I am one of them, and some of my family. So I can invite you to come here, and if you want you can visit this beautiful place. Bye, have a good day.